Based in Linlithgow, Eternal Elevators has been keeping the whole of Scotland moving for over 30 years. We specialise in the full installation, maintenance and repair of all types of lifts and associated equipment. If a replacement or upgrade is what you need on lift doors, drive and lift systems, control systems, mechanical and electrical devices, car interior finishes, shaft information, signals, buttons and underperforming lifts, we can help. We also install, service, fix and maintain a variety of lifts including escalators, dumbwaiters, trolley, wheelchair, platform, stair, goods and passenger lifts. Our team work with our customers to ensure their lift remains reliable, safe and compliant. This can include routine proactive maintenance and legally required examinations and inspections. Our engineers are NVQ3 qualified, as well as Safe Contractor approved and CHAS certified, as well as working with independent testing companies who are fully accredited by UCAS for testing, inspection and certification. We have easy access to the motorway from our office too, which means we can send out quick and responsive lift engineers that are on call 24/7. If you would like more information, please visit our website at www.eternalelevators.co.uk, or you can call one of our team on 01506 840 816.